welcome back to SDK Papercraft. Today we are going to see toy reviews. I have so much toys. Now we are going to see that. This is a lightning knife. 4 colors are there. Next, light lamp, red color light. Next, color flower vase. Next, monster truck. 2 monster trucks. Next, army van. And next, teddy. Next, gaming. Next, Barbie. Next, a cow vehicle. Farmer and cow. Next, robotic car. This is a car, but we can set it as a robot. Now I will set and show you. See, this is robot. And now we can change it into a car. Now it is car. Next, train. Next, bus. Bombay bus. Next, the last one is scooty. This is like Zomato delivery scooty. Now I will show all the toys. Bye friends. If you like this video, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye friends.